Okay, we're making cheesecake and we are making pecan praline sauce. We're gonna toast the pecans. We'll put extra because one, I like a lot of pecans, and two, I like to eat them. And so if I put what the recipe calls for, I won't have enough. All right, we're supposed to be like flipping these individually, but yeah, I don't have the patience for that. Okay, these are delicious. Don't eat them all. All right. So almost all brown sugar, it's half brown sugar. Okay, like I said, this is not healthy. This is cornstarch, but it's good. So we're gonna put this into the cheesecake. That's why we're making it first. So it's time, not that it really needs to cool. It can't be hot. This is the recipe. You're gonna whisk it constantly until it thickens slightly and coats the back of the spoon. So we're gonna whisk it until it coats the back of the spoon. I'm not using a spoon, I'm using a whisk. Look, this chunk is taking too long. It's getting on my nerves. Anytime you have milk that you're heating, you gotta be careful with the heat. If it gets too hot, too fast, it's just gonna like clump up on you and get gross. So this is basically kind of like caramel, but not really. And again, I really wish I knew why. I'll look it up. So we dump this in, and then we're just gonna let this kind of cool down a bit because we're gonna stir this into our cheesecake. So we're gonna make this cheesecake. The thing with cheesecake, if you're gonna make cheesecake, you've got to bake it. And it's time consuming, but it's worth it in the end. No baked cheesecake. No, it's not cheesecake if you don't bake it. It's like cheese icebox cake. So you have to have a springform pan. Now, good recipes will tell you to wrap it in foil and put it in a water bath. The foil thing is so absurd. I put like 47 layers of foil. It's not even scientifically possible for water to get in all those layers, but it does every time. Perfect cheesecake bakeware.com. So look, it just like you buy the right one and it just slides in, and guess what? You stick the thing in there and then you just chill and drink your wine for the hour and a half your cheesecake's baking because it's not gonna get wet. Okay, so we are gonna make the crust of this cheesecake. So see, I like this recipe because it has weights and the weights make me happy. Okay, the scale's broken. If you're gonna make a weighted recipe, your scale cannot be possessed, okay? Or you can't be possessed. Like one of the two, somebody has to be of sound mind because, okay. 1, see, I don't like counting this. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we put in salt, we put in sugar. So, see, you can get really creative with the crust. You can put almonds in it, you can put almonds in it. Look, there's so many things you can do with the crust. You want this to kind of be like damp so you can press it in together. Basically, I'm trying to do this little thing that's gonna cause it to not stick. I'm just getting a little circle, non-stick little pad in there. Okay, so here we go. Now we're gonna start on cheesecake. So the big thing about cheesecake is your egg to cream cheese ratio. The difference is a really dense cheesecake is gonna have less eggs, where more like a Japanese style cheesecake is gonna have more eggs. So what I do is always put in one less egg than I do bars of cheesecake, cream cheese. That's gonna give it more of a dense cheesecake. Oops, I didn't zero my thing, so this is fabulous. This is 1.6 kilos of cream cheese. So that's like 3.5 pounds. We're gonna add the sugar. 4 more minutes. A pinch of salt. Again, another pinch of salt. And salt magically arrives. Alright, so I literally just want to stand at the stove and eat that praline sauce. Alright, we're gonna do sour cream. And you're gonna find all different recipes on whether they have sour cream and heavy cream and how much they have of each. Literally every recipe is different. And honestly, I don't find a really substantial difference between any of them. Cream cheese, sugar, salt, vanilla, egg, sour cream, heavy cream, and then it's done. It's like a super quick recipe. I swear it's a really quick recipe. You just have to make sure you scrape down that bottom because you'll get a chunk and a clump of cream cheese. So we're gonna pour this straight in. And this kind of seems fluffier than it normally is, but that's okay. The thing with baking, always taste it. Taste the batter. Because baking does not change the taste. So if it tastes like crap before you put it in the oven, it'll taste like hot crap when you take it out of the oven. I mean, it's just like science or something. We're just gonna scoop this out. We're just gonna wing it because it's a little much. That's okay. I want to kind of marbleize it, and I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to kind of just, what did they say, cut it in? So I'm gonna put this water bath in. The water bath, it helps it cook evenly, because what you don't want is you don't want it to rise too quickly. You don't want it to cook unevenly so that the outside and the inside cook at different temperatures. The trick with cheesecake is getting that uniform color and not getting the cracks. And if you get cracks, it's okay, just put a topping on it and cover it up. It's not a huge deal. Okay, see, I can just pick this thing straight up, stick it straight in the oven. All right, magic timer. It's kind of starting to brown on the top, which is good. So it's gonna feel a little jiggly. So it's a little soft in the center. Ow, dang, that's hot. Okay, so it's starting to kind of crack in these little places here. It's still a little jiggly in the center, but the thing is the outside's gonna cook. All right, so if you find something your cheese is browning a little quicker than you want it to, that's what you can do, is just cover it. All right, so we're starting to see some cracks in here. It's still a little jiggly, but this is the thing. We're gonna rest this for an hour in the oven. All right, so all we're gonna do is just crack it, turn it off. My little foil, I should have tinted it more. That sucks. So what I'm gonna do is, after this cools, I'm gonna put a topping on it, so you can't see it. The thing with cheesecake is you want it to set, you want it to rest, you want it to thoroughly, fully cool all the way. So, a couple things with this cheesecake. One, It's kind of brown, and I think part of that is because the praline sauce. I think the sugar, the additional sugar, kind of caramelized a little bit and made it brown a little quicker than normally. The other part about this is when I put it in, it kind of incorporated and stirred more than I was wanting. Next time what I would do is kind of do a layered system where I put a little bit of cheesecake, do a little bit of praline, a little bit of cheesecake, a little bit of praline, and then just up and down a few times. Those are just some of the notes that I was thinking about for next time. Ultimately, it's not really gonna matter. This is just about my standard, which is pretty high, which is why I end up making 10 batches of biscuits. This is bugging me, and I don't like it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of whipped cream on the top, which probably won't do a whole lot, except make me feel better because I don't have to look at the dark brown. But, okay, here we go. So, we're gonna cut this open, and we're gonna run into 5 pecans here, so we'll see. It's not gonna really probably be as pretty because it has those chunks of pecans, but if you remember we toasted those. So I think it's gonna be pretty good. All right, let's check this out. What we got here? And I can tell you what we don't have is a wet crust. So how's this gonna turn out? Well, let's see. Looks a little, well, you can see that I can't hold this in my hand, but you see how that has the praline and that doesn't, which it's not really the ribbons I was looking for. All right, here goes nothing. Try this out. I think so. So, here we go. All right, taste panel. You're definitely in the shot, so whatever you're trying to do is not working. But you know, it's okay. That is not my husband right there, okay? So just pretend like you don't see that. All right, now.
Assuming it helps to, you know, like turn the oven on.
It's all on. Okay, listen. I guess I turned it off. All right, so when you put your crust in, turn your oven on. It helps. Who do I talk to? Where's my friend?
Those are your friends.
Those are not my friends. Hi, friend.
Do you have a scale out?
I don't.
Are you going to use it for the weights?
No, because I have perfected the art of weighing by the gram in the palm of my hand. No, I need a scale.
It's working for us.
Leave. Jerk. And see, kids don't realize, they think you have eyes in the back of your head, but really it's just you have ears and you pay attention because you can hear them because they're so loud when they do everything. I need to turn off my face thing when I'm doing this because it's really annoying.
You need to turn off your face.
It's really not that many ingredients. It's not cream cheese. No, see? It is cream cheese.
It is cream cheese.
It is cream cheese. It's not cheesecake. I got it right that time and I thought I was gonna get it wrong. Just take, you know what I'm gonna do?
You have to make a mini cheesecake.
I'm gonna make another cheesecake. I am gonna make cheesecake cupcakes. Cheese with me all. You're killing me, CJ. Look. This is like 2 cups. What's her name? Lucy was.
What's her name?
Listen.
Which one of these am I talking about?
I said 3 names and I finally just said you. Look, these chocolate chip cookies are gonna be straight in my drunk kitchen because if I drink another bottle of wine before I make these cookies,
Which one? No.
I'm gonna be hurt.